Hi friends, thanks for clicking and welcome to this new video of Easy English Jabalpur channel. Today we are going to figure out some differences between magistrate and judge. As you know that friend, both belong to legal field and these both ranks are related to legal field. But there are some differences between magistrate and judge. So let's see what are the differences between magistrate and judge. Magistrate is a civil officer or minor judicial officer appointed by the High Court, whereas judge is a judicial officer appointed by the President of India. Magistrate word has been derived from English word called magistrat, whereas judge word has been derived from the French language word which is called juger. Magistrate has got less powers, judge has got more powers. Magistrate solves minor cases which are held in towns, cities, or states, whereas judge is responsible to solve complex cases which are held in towns, cities, or states. Judge is entitled to give life imprisonment or sentence of death, but magistrate is not responsible or not entitled to give life imprisonment or sentence of death. The jurisdiction of magistrate is small, whereas the jurisdiction of judge is very vast. So friends, these are some differences between the rank of magistrate and judge. I hope friends you have got the differences of the rank of magistrate and judge. Thank you very much friends for watching this video and have a nice day.